Hi, I'm Doug Major, manager at American Furniture Warehouse, and today we're creating a great living space. You know, a great living space starts with a great base. So here we have a nice soft blue gray living room set that's going to be our base. It's nice, light, airy, fun, interesting. You've got some fun pillows, a stripe, a medallion. So we're really creating some interest here right off the bat that we're going to build on throughout this great process. Our next step is to add a little function to the room. We've added, in this case, a couple of white painted tables, and I wanted to use the cocktail ottoman. We wanted to add some more texture and pattern to the room, so we selected the complementary medallion cocktail ottoman. We're going to be using all these colors as we go through the process, so it should be a lot of fun. In our next phase, we're defining our space with a nice, lush, soft blue rug that's a little more intense than the blues we have going on here. And then we've pulled a lot of color and pattern and texture up onto the wall with this metallic piece of abstract art that's really showing all the colors that we have going on. We also added these really cool ceramic white lamps in a different pattern, and we finished it off with a really cool antique white wall shelf here. All right, everyone, we've moved on to the next phase, and this is really fun. This is when you really start incorporating your own personal sense of style into the space. So we've added a nice throw. We're really dressing up the cocktail ottoman, and we've got some hydrangeas, a really fun little tray here with metal and wood. We've brought the outdoors in with a piece of greenery here and here, a twisted willow in the corner, and then we've really brought some attention over to our wall shelf here with some fun antique white candle holders. And then over on this side, we added a really cool mirror, but it's a door arched mirror in an antique white, so it's a lot of fun, interesting, another shape that we've added to the space. And we also picked out one of my favorite pieces, which is the blue pot, because it's really got a lot of intensity and a fun color into your room. So again, you're really wanting to personalize the space and make it represent the person you are and the things that you really enjoy. In our space, we had a little more room, so we've added this pair of striped chairs to our space for larger get-togethers when you might have family and friends over and you want to just really enjoy each other's company. And we have an interesting painted soft blue table that coordinates with the room, scallop shape. And now you really do have a warm, inviting space to really gather your friends and family and really enjoy your time together. You know, we can really have a lot of fun with this process. Remember that you can use a completely different rug. We've selected a different rug, a nice neutral, soft, lighter pattern that mimics the pattern we have going on in the lamps, and we've incorporated the medallion chair out of the collection to really create a lot of more interest, a lot of more fun, and really reflect who you are and your room and how you like to entertain. Thanks for coming along today on this great journey to this wonderful living space that we've created. You know, we have some really fun patterns and colors and textures that we've built your room around that really reflects you and your personal taste. You know, and the great thing about this process is that it's fun, but it's also, you can do this in phases. You can layer these things kind of as we presented to you so that it really fits in your budget. But ultimately, you've got this great space that you love living in.